Hey everyone, Gil here, graymanprepping. In this episode of Your Prep for Today, I'm going to talk to you about doing something that is linked to a video a topic I just did recently on Tactical Tuesday called "The Biggest Lies Preppers Are Being Told." Well, one of the lies is that there are channels out there telling people, "Oh yeah, stockpile seeds, but you don't have to worry about doing a garden and growing anything because it's easy to grow a garden. When the collapse happens, you just take your seeds out there, you just plant them, and you got food." Well, anyone that's done any gardening knows how much of BS that is. But as far as stockpiling seeds, that's a good thing, but you need to use them too. This is just some of the seeds that I stockpile here. My wife has a whole set there that she's using in California. But besides just buying the seeds, I also, harvest seeds. Cantaloupe, lettuce, Swiss chard, bok choy. So as I grow stuff and I like it, I harvest the seeds myself so that I don't have to buy new seeds. So, but for some of the stuff, first time using it, I buy seeds and I select the ones I think I'm going to like. I test them out. If I like them, I'll harvest the seeds from the plants. If I don't like it, I'll make a note on the envelope. This is what was wrong with this, what I didn't like. But I don't throw those seeds away because someone else may like it, or maybe a time that we need to grow them anyways to trade them to other people that like them that can't grow them, and we can trade them for whatever we need to. The bartering system will be great. All right, so think about the seeds for the plants that you like. Different types of tomatoes, squash, lettuces, spinaches, onions, broccoli, anything that you want to eat that's healthy. Think about getting seeds for them. And remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing, seeds. Learn a new skill and plant a garden indoors and outdoors this year. Try growing some stuff indoors, especially during the winter time. Because, hey, if you're in an area where it's snowing outside, you can't grow much. But if you can set up an area to grow stuff indoors, that'll help ease your budget too.